Fifth question, we have to find the error and correct it. So you can see 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is given equal to 0. So let's check it. 5y plus 2y plus, whenever there is a variable and nothing is written with it, it means its coefficient is 1. So y can be written as 1y minus 7y equals 0. Now 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. As they are like terms, all the terms are having same variables y. 5y, 2y, 1y, 7y all have the same variable. So they are called like terms. We can add them. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So answer should be 1y or just y. Both are correct. So instead of 0, the answer should be 1y or y.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.